Did you know that in the shadows of West Virginia, a creature with 10-foot wings and glowing red eyes has haunted the dreams of locals? Over 100 witnesses reported sightings of this eerie being known as the Mothman. Legend has it that he doesn't bring disaster, but rather serves as a harbinger, a final warning before calamity strikes. When he appears, it's time to pay attention. So if you find yourself under a moonlit sky and see a large winged silhouette, heed the warning. Stay away from the bridges and tunnels. The Mothman is trying to tell you that something is about to break.